Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to make this super delicious and medicinal black soup of the Edo people. Into a pot, you're going to add your palm nut extract or your palm nut puree. You can either do this yourself by cooking and extracting the palm nut extract from the palm nut, or you can get the already pureed one in supermarkets. Into that, you're going to add diced up large onion and then add in some stockfish and some pomo, which is cow skin. These are typical ingredients that we use in making Nigerian soups, and trust me, it helps to elevate your black soup. Black soup is a traditional soup of the Edo people in Edo State, Nigeria, and it is so delicious and absolutely medicinal because we use a ton of vegetables in this soup. Now, once you've added in your stockfish and pomo, you go in to add in your meat that you're going to be using. I'm using beef. Traditionally, this is how it is cooked and prepared. And as an Edo woman, I know this for a fact because I cooked this soup a lot with my mom, with my grandma. So this is as authentic as it gets. Once you add in your meat into your pot, you're going to go ahead and season with some salt. And then add in your crayfish powder. Be generous with your crayfish powder, okay? Add in some seasoning cubes as well. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy Eto. I am a Nigerian food blogger and food influencer and content creator. So let's keep making our soup. You're going to break in your stock cube, bouillon cube, seasoning cube, whatever it is that you call it, okay? I use 2 Knorr cubes in this, and then you're just going to cover and allow this to cook for at least 6 minutes, and it begins to bubble before we add in our blended mix of vegetables. I'm using uziza, utazi, bitter leaf for this particular recipe, and some scent leaves. I'm sorry I didn't show the process, but I blended that together with some red scotch bonnet peppers and some onion, and that's what I am pouring into my pot at this time. I'm going to rinse my blender and pour that back in because I don't want any of this green goodness to go to waste, okay? Now, you can use as many vegetables as you like, and you can get all of these vegetables to buy in your local Nigerian markets or African markets abroad. Just tell them you want bitter leaf, make sure it is the washed one. You want utazi leaf, you want uziza leaf, and you want some scent leaf. Blend all of that together with a little bit of water and some scotch bonnet pepper, as much heat as you can tolerate, and add it into your mix. Once you have that going, you're going to cover it. At this point, even if you try to taste it, you will not be able to get the exact taste, so don't worry about it. You're just going to cover this and allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes. After that, we'll be adding in some smoked fish. Traditionally, this soup is cooked with bush meat, lots of dried fish, because you know we had lots of hunters and farmers in Edo State back in the days. So these days I do not have bushmeat or dry fish. I'm using some smoked mackerel and some smoked mala. So feel free to use whatever smoked or dried fish that you have available. Once you add that in, you're going to cover and then allow this to cook for 20 minutes till your soup reduces in quantity and it thickens. It is that easy, it is that simple, and it's absolutely delicious. After 20 minutes, your soup would have reduced, and then the oil will begin to float on top like this, which is a sign that tells you that your soup is ready. If you want it thicker, you can continue cooking, but at this point, it is perfect. Now, this is a delicious pot of black soup, and I am already salivating just watching this video alone. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any issues making the soup, if you want to make this soup, or which other Nigerian soup you would love me to make for you in the comment section, and trust me, I will film it and make it for you. Also, let me know, have you ever tasted black soup? Are you willing to taste it? Don't look at the look, okay? This is a typical example of don't judge a book by its cover. It might look like this, but trust me, it is so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Do it to subscribe.